Saturday, October the 1st, 2011. Heading south on the Lehigh Canal trail coming into Freemansburg. We filmed the northbound segment. I wasn't real thrilled with it. There was horrible sirens, like a parade or a big fire or something. So an hour later I'm doing the same thing on the other way. Freemansburg is one of these towns that was built around the canal. And this is going to be a bumpy section. I'm hoping the camera doesn't shake too much. A nice gazebo over there. I believe that hotel's called the Buttstown Hotel. B-U-T-Z. Butz is a prominent Pennsylvania German name over here in the valley. It's the Alvin Butz construction company. It's built a lot of things here. Humpity, humpity. Rain, percentage chance of rain going up as I get home, closer to home. So I'm trying to hustle. Nothing worse than rain on this time of the year. The year is already wet and you're soaked with perspiration. I have poncho and jacket clothing, but it's not fun to change in the rain, but I'll make it. The river comes right up here. The distance between the river and the canal here, 40, 50 feet. Further down on the, what I call the dangerous section in front of me, distance between the canal and the river is maybe 8 feet. Just ate a bug. Well, protein. In summer I use a dust mask on here. A lot of mosquitoes, a lot of flies, swarms of little gnats. So, trail's dusty in the summer. I look like an alien. I have a helmet, goggles, dust mask. I screw this up, I'm in the canal. Riding one hand on the edge of the canal. Dead bee, not nice. I'm moving back over. Need the bumpy side though. If you can find it, buy yourself a flip slide. They're hard to find now that Secluded took flip off the market. I have a backup flip. It's in my saddlebag. I don't want to get those people's house on the camera. I don't want people filming my house. The actual lock here in Freemansburg, the lock tender's house. That's where I take my break. That's where I started this section of film. And I'm going to ride down to 2 benches. Eat some jelly sandwiches. Get the fructose and the espresso. Changing the dry stuff. Wait for my second wind. Do the last 8 miles home. Almost wiped out. Live on the camera. So I did one hand my goggles. So I did no hand. I had to adjust the goggles because I'm using my helmet. I locked up the brake. Almost had no fun.